Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I'm here with one of my subscription boxes. Yes, I just got the Allure box in the mail. Okay, so I'm going to share that and let's get to it. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. Thank you if you're a subscriber. If you're not, I would love if you'd help me on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Just hit the subscribe and the like button. That would be really appreciated. And so here we go. If you're unfamiliar with the Allure box, it's a monthly subscription, and it costs $25 a month. You can get $5 off your first month. I also use a code I have down below in the description. Or if you buy like a 3-month, 6-month, year subscription, you would definitely get it for, I think, I might get mine for like $19 because I've gotten a subscription, like that. But anyway, so this is a great subscription. If you're not familiar with it, go watch some of my other Allure videos because they have been killing it lately. I will be honest, this isn't like one of the most exciting boxes they've had, but it's pretty much every time it's amazing and you definitely get your value. So let's take a look in it. Here's a sneak peek of what's inside. And you do get, so let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Every once in a while you'll get 7. You usually get 3 full-size items. And so I'm just going to get going here. For the first thing I'm going to pull out here is from LMS. I love LMS. This is actually an eye cream. And as I read about it, first of all, this is a $50 value. So already we've doubled our value for the whole box, and I have 5 more items. So it's a great value. They say this is a good item to use like every morning. So I'm actually going to put this in my nightstand, and I will just, in the morning, I'm just going to use it. So I'm excited. I'm actually going to start using this right away. I do use a lot of LMS skincare products. I love LMS. So this was kind of an exciting thing to get. So that was my first thing. The second thing I have here, and they have a little booklet, and that's what I'm going off of. I'm going to read, I'll read you some things from the booklet. But this next thing is a hair product that hydrates and strengthens all hair types. Okay, this is like a 1/4 of the size, about a 1/4 of the normal size. So this is 1.7 ounces, not a bad size for a sample. The full 8 ounce is $45. So this right here is probably valued at about $12. It just is a mask. Chris Appleton, what's it called? Chris Appleton Color Wow Money Mask. So I'm actually excited about using this because I've heard it's a great hair product. So, and I have a lot of hair products already, but I do use hair masks, so I'm sure I will be able to use that. So that was my second item. And the third item I'm going to here is, this is by Bloom Effects Tulip Tint Lip and Cheek Balm. There we go. So I like things that are double duty. This is the color. I'm not sure it's going to be a color I like. I don't tend to go with warmer tones or even like peaches or oranges, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. I'll own it, but it's covered here, but let's see. I'm really curious to try this. So I'm going to go for it. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand here. There it is. Yeah, it looks pretty orange, doesn't it? Corally. Not bad when it's rubbed in. I don't really want to have it on my lips right now. I'm a pink girl today, so I'm getting ready to go. I'm leaving as soon as I finish filming. I'm going to see Derek Huff. He's, if you don't not familiar with him, he's a famous choreographer and dancer, and he is amazing. In my eyes, he's like a freak of nature. So I'm really excited to go. My daughter bought me the tickets, I think for a birthday or something anyway. So yay, I get to do that tonight.
Close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song I repeat in my head.
Okay, let's go to our third item here, and our third item is from Mud Masky. We tend to get a lot of Mud Masky in here. Mud Masky is a higher end brand, and this is Mud Masky Midnight Hand Mask. So it's another thing that's going to my nightstand. I'm going to put this on every night before I go to bed because my hands are desperate need of it. So I'm going to try it right now. It has a kind of a light, pleasant, I don't know. It's not a real strong smell, but it is pleasant. So it's not as creamy as it's a little bit more wet than I thought it would be, but I love hand creams, so I'm actually excited about this. This actually has a $55 value, and this is full size. So I don't know how many people are going to pay $55 for that, for a hand cream like that. So it better be good. So I'm going to use it. So that's my fourth thing? Okay, so the next thing I have here is, this is a Natura Ecos Tucuma exfoliating shower gel. They said it's good for warmer weather. It's an exfoliating body wash, makes legs and arms feel soft and smooth while you cleanse. It's an easy and rewarding way to multitask. So anyway, this is just about a sixth of the normal size. The normal size is priced at, let's see, the normal price is $18, and this is only a sixth of that, so it's not, there's not a lot of value in this, but still great to try. I love exfoliators, so that'll go in my shower. And the last thing I have in here is a scent, and this is Poets of Berlin perfume, and I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, now I went ahead and smelled this. I first opened the box and I smelled this, and this is, I'm going to read you what the scents are here. So this, here it is. So it's a 5 milliliter. And this says it proves vanilla doesn't have to be so vanilla. The scent has all the warmth and comfort of a vanilla fragrance, for sure, but with a crispy sweet kick from lemon and blueberry. Orris and sandalwood keep the overall effect grounded, not pastry-like. So, I don't know. This is unpopular opinion, but I'm not really fond of vanilla scents, but this doesn't smell vanilla to me. It smells, I definitely get the lemon, and another thing is I don't really love lemon scent either. I love vanilla and lemon flavors, but I don't like the scents. It just smells grassy to me, kind of lemongrassy, and it's just not a scent I will want to wear. It's not a bad scent to smell, but like it might make a nice candle or something, but I'm not excited about wearing it. I haven't heard that much about this, so I'm not really familiar with it, but just my personal opinion. Yeah, it's just kind of grassy, lemongrassy, and that's just not something I want to wear on my body. But anyway, so that's kind of a miss for me. It's an expensive perfume. I think the full-size perfume is, let me see what the price is on that. Is it $175? Yep, for 50 milliliter, that's for a full size. So, anyway, so that to me is kind of a miss. This right here I'm excited about putting by my bedside and using at night. The Money, let's see, Chris Appleton, The hair mask I'm excited about. I think this is a bougie product, so that's kind of fun. The lip and cheek balm, I kind of like this. I like the texture. I'm just not sure about the color. So I'm not sure about it, but I'm going to try it sometime. It might work for me in summer. It's just a little cheek and lip, and so it does double duty. So I do like that. I love things that multitask. So then we've got our shower exfoliator, just a sample size, but I would like to use that. So, and then we have the LMS, and this is the eye cream, which I'm really excited about. I love LMS. This is a $50 value, which doubles the price of the box. This also is $55 value. So these two products right here quadruple the box price. So you can't really go wrong with this box. I love it. Usually you'll get like maybe 1 or 2 makeup items, but it's a skincare heavy brand. This is where I tend to get most of my skincare, and I love it because I get high-end brands that I can't normally afford. So anyway, that's it. So there we go. That's our Allure box. And anyway, so I'm excited about it. What do you think? Do you like Allure? Do you get Allure? Do you want to try Allure? So I know in April they killed it. April had Charlotte Tilbury in it, which was really exciting for me because I love Charlotte Tilbury products. But they usually always have 1 or 2 really high-end popular items. Another thing about Allure is that I just trust their opinions. They know beauty, and they know what works and what doesn't. And anyway, I just love the items that they promote. So that's it for my Allure box. I haven't filmed in a while, so I'm glad to be back filming again. I've taken a few days off, but anyway. So thanks for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.